Thanks for logging on. I'm meteorologist John Patrick with your most accurate forecast. It is a weather action day for us as we track the first significant rainfall in the valley for the first time in about 34 days. And these showers could last right on into tomorrow morning. We are talking some wet roadways and some slick commutes here over the next 12 to 24 hours. And these cooler temperatures are going to stick around for a little while as well. So these showers started to fall across the valley at about 10, 11 o'clock this morning. They're going to continue to stream up from the southwest to the northeast as the evening and overnight hours wear on. The center of our storm system is actually still off the California coast right now, and as this continues to traverse across the state over the next 24 hours or so, we're going to keep those rain chances around. So let's kind of time this out for you here with your futurecast. The showers sticking around off and on through the night tonight. This is paused here at about 3:30 early tomorrow morning. This particular model picking up on another batch of showers moving through the valley, and we could have some linger right on through Thursday morning. So again, that morning commute, you might want to give yourself a little bit of extra time to get to work. You know how it is around here when there's any rainfall, we start to see those crashes pick up on those valley freeways. But as we head into Thursday afternoon, a lot of that rainfall is going to be confined to areas east of the valley. So we are going to start to dry out Thursday afternoon right on into Friday for us here in the Phoenix metro. But we could still see up to about a ½ inch of rain for many valley locations before the storm system moves on out of here. And these temperatures are going to stay in the 60s, it looks like, at least for one more day. Now, this is kind of a warm storm system, so that snow level will eventually drop down to around 6,500 feet by Wednesday night and early Thursday morning. We're still only talking about 1 to 2 inches of snow in the Flagstaff area. I think the eastern Mogollon Rim and over into the White Mountains may fare a little bit better with this storm system, and we are certainly talking about some winter driving conditions for the higher elevations of northern Arizona as we head into Wednesday night and Thursday morning. Temperatures will bottom out in the 20s and 30s across the high country early tomorrow morning. Daytime highs should be in the 40s and 50s for you. We'll bring things into the valley here, and overnight tonight on the mild side, low to mid 50s thanks to that cloud cover sticking around. Daytime highs as we head into your Thursday will stay nice and cool for us. Those cloudy skies sticking around through the afternoon hours, shooting for around 66 Glendale, Laveen, Tempe, 65s for the East Valley locations from Chandler right on over into Gilbert. So let's bring in that 7-day forecast for you. We're going to keep about a 30% chance of showers around through the day on Thursday. We dry out, we warm up as we head into this weekend. The mid 70s are back by Saturday and Sunday, but as we head into early and middle portions of next week, we do have another storm system that's going to ride by Arizona and help drop those temperatures right back down into the upper 60s. For now, it looks like most of that rain will stay up in northern Arizona, but we'll continue to fine-tune that forecast here in the coming days.